Okay. Example 6, x plus log x minus 5 is equal to 0 in the interval 3.2 comma 4. This is 3.2 comma 4. So here we have to solve this transcendental equation. We have to find the root of this transcendental equation with the help of bisection method. Example 6, x plus log x minus 5 is equal to 0, and this equation root we have to calculate within this interval, means whatever the answer we get, that answer will be between 3.2 to 4. ಈಗ ನಮಗೇನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಅದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 3.2 ಮತ್ತು 4 ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 3.2ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಲೆಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, 4ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್, ದಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ in between these two values. You can observe in this equation we have a logarithmic term, that is log x. So log x bandide antandre you need to know the basic rules of logarithm. See, because when you observe the scientific calculator, you can observe here we have log, and here one more symbol is there, that is ln, and logarithmic above you can observe 10 to the power x, and here ln above you can observe e and e raised to x symbol. Now for this particular example, whether we have to use this log button or this ln button, that is very important here. See, there is a concept of natural logarithm. What is the difference between log and this ln? What is the difference between log and ln? See, this log is for base 10. Logarithm we define for base 10, and this ln we define for base e, where e is nothing but exponential function, and this e value is 2.7182 and so on. This exponential term e has a particular constant value. ಈಗ pi ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ value ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, like 3.142 and so on. Similarly, for e we have a constant value, that is 2.7182. Log is for base 10. This ln is for base e. Next, in question, if just they have mentioned log x, then what will be its base? Whether it is base 10 or base e. Whether it is base 10 or base e. Then how to solve such example? Listen here. The natural logarithm means, that is ln. This ln x is nothing but it is equal to log x to the base e. Whenever we talk about natural logarithm, then it is for base e, and e value is what? 2.7182. You don't need to remember this one, because however you are going to use scientific calculator, then no need to remember this e value. See, log x is equal to log x to the base e. Just remember this one. This ln x and log x to the base e, both are same, and these two we call as natural logarithm. But this log x to the base 10 is different, because here we are using base 10. Next, here you can observe we have log x term. Log x term is there, means while simplifying we have to substitute log 3.2 and then we have to substitute log 4. Now how to solve this log 3.2 and log 4? In question, just log x is given, means how we can write this one? We have to write it as log x to the base 10 divided by log x to the base e. So always just log x is given, means we can write it as log x to the base 10 divided by log e to the base, log x to the base e. Now here the given interval is from 3.2 to 4. So 3.2, how to calculate now? Log 3.2. Now this is equal to log 3.2 to the base 10 divided by log 3.2 to the base e. Now here, here it is just log e to the base 10. So let me explain one more time. Log x we have means this we have to write as log x to the base 10, because here base we need to keep constant. Therefore, denominator will be log e to the base 10. Okay, log x means log x to the base 10 divided by log e to the base 10. Now, x value we are replacing as 3.2. So, this will be log 3.2 base 10, and here it is log. What about e value? E value already I have told, that is 2.718 to the base 10. Now, using scientific calculator, now we can simplify here. Log to the base 10, here it is log to the base 10, so we have to use this one, log 3.2. So the answer is 0.5051. 0.5051 divided by, next we have log of 2.718 to the base 10. Again same, log 2.718, and its answer is 0.4342. 0.4342. Now just divide these two values. So what we have got here, 0.5051 divided by 0.4343. So we'll get here 1.1630. So after simplification, we are getting log 3.2 answer as 1.1630. Just to calculate log 3.2, first we have to simplify log 3.2 to the base 10, then log 2.718 to the base 10, and after division we are getting this particular answer, that is 1.1630. See, already bisection method is only lengthy one. Upon that, just to calculate log 3.2, if we are spending this much time, then it is not possible to solve within few minutes to this example. So what we can do here means, instead of solving this complete, using this complete expression, we have a shortcut one. This log 3.2 directly with the help of natural logarithm, that is ln, we can simplify. You can observe in the scientific calculator we have ln to the base e. So directly here ln 3.2 means what we'll get, 1.163. So here ln we are applying means we are getting answer 1.1631. You can observe for this answer and this answer, how much is the difference? Here we have 1.1631, here it is 1.1630. Okay, so at least 3 decimals are similar here, that is 1.163, 1.163. So instead of using this particular concept, directly we can use ln, where ln is a natural logarithm. So just remember here, log x to the base e and ln x both are same. Therefore, when I start solving this particular example, whenever log x is there, I will use this ln button. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಲಾಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಲಾಗ್ ಎದಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಬೇಸ್ 10 ಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ 10 ಅದು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್, just to calculate log x, we have log x to the base 10 divided by log e to the base 10 concept. Now, I need to calculate 3.2 means log 3.2, which is equal to log 3.2 base 10 log e value, this one, 2.718 to the base 10. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಲಾಗ್ 3.2 ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಗ್ 2.718 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು find the value, divide it, will get 1.16 160 we have got, right? 1630, yes, 163 something will get, yes, 163 will get. Then instead of doing all this directly, we can use ln 3.2. So this ln is simplification of this division. ಇದು ln ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ this is simplification of this particular division which is already available in calculator. So instead of using log directly, we can apply this ln. So using directly ln, if we simplify, then we'll get ln 3.2 is equal to 1.163. Similarly, to calculate log 4, instead of applying log 4 to the base 10 divided by log 2.718, then simplification and division, instead of this directly we can use ln4, that is ln4 will get the required result, that is 1.3862. So while solving example, wherever log is there, I will use ln. Okay, whether it is a transcendental equation or algebraic equation, bisection method simplification concept is same only. First we have to calculate here a and b value, then we have to go for first approximation, that is by considering one positive value and one negative value, add it and divide by 2. Concept is same only. The only thing is that here logarithmic term is involved. Because of this logarithmic term, this is considered as transcendental equation. Otherwise simplification method is same. And while solving example, these all steps are not required. This is just for understanding purpose which I am giving here. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗ್ 3.2 ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಗ್ 3.2, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ln 3.2 we have to use here. So what is the given example? So here given example is, so given f of x is x plus log x minus 5 and the interval is 3.224. So interval ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 3.224 is the given interval. It means our a value is 3.2 and b value is 4 because already it is given in question. ಕ್ವಶನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ that a value is 3.2 and b value is 4. So based on that, next we have to solve the simplification. So here f of x is x plus log x minus 5. This is the given function. First we have to calculate here f of 3.2. Replace complete x value using 3.2. That is 3.2 plus log 3.2 minus 5, and then with the help of scientific calculator we have to simplify this one. So scientific calculator dalli ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿನಿ, instead of log 3.2 directly we have to use this ln button. So 3.2, then log 3.2 is there, we have to use here log 3.2 plus ln 3.2 minus 5, and this is equal to minus of 0.6368. So what we are getting here, minus of 0.6368 or 69, which is less than 0 because we have here minus sign, because negative sign is there. So this is less than 0. Then go for f of 4. Replace x value using 4, that is 4 plus log 4 minus 5. Again using scientific calculator, 4 plus log 4 means ln 4 minus 5, which is equal to 0.3862. Positive value greater than 0. So one value is giving us negative sign and one value is giving us positive sign. So for x1. For first approximation, we can use 3.2 plus 4 divided by 2, and remaining steps, remaining procedure as it is, we have to consider. So this is about the first simplification. You can observe here, this is the given function f of x, and first we are calculating f of 3.2 answer, which is in negative, therefore less than 0. Then f of 4 simplify, will get one positive value which is greater than 0. Now based on this we can decide here, because we are getting one negative and one positive value, we can decide here that the root lies between 3.2 and 4. Means whatever the answer will get, it will be between 3.2 and 4. So go for first approximation, that is x1, addition of these two, that is 3.2 plus 4 divided by 2. So add these two and divide by 2, will get 3.6. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಅದನ್ನು. 3.2 plus 4 which is equal to 7.2. Then divide by 2, will get 3.6. So here we are getting first approximation answer as 3.6. Then substitute this 3.6 in the given function. So replace complete x value using 3.6, then we'll get f of 3.6, which is equal to 3.6 plus log of 3.6 minus 5. Now simplify this one. 3.6 plus log of 3.6 means we have to use ln 3.6 minus 5, which is equal to minus of 0.11 minus 0.11906. So any three decimal points you can mention here. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, that is very important. So because of that reason, just you can mention here any three decimal. So minus of 0.119, which is less than 0. Okay. So what we are getting here, x1 value. We got x1 answer as 3.6, and this 3.6 function is giving us a negative value, that is, yes, it is just giving us a negative value. Then we have to go for second approximation x2. ಈಗ x2 ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Using which two particular number we have to find out here x2. Obviously the previous value we have to consider. ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಇರತ್ತೆ. x2 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x1 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ x1 ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೆ? x1 is giving us negative. So along with this negative, which number we have to consider? ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ go for positive, and this positive value is for this particular number, that is 4. So add 3.6 and 4 for second approximation. So here, to get second approximation, consider the previous result, that is 3.6. 3.6 is giving us a negative answer and 4 is giving us a positive answer. So add these two, divide by 2, will get 3.8. Now again this 3.8 substitute in the function, that is this particular function. F of 3.8 is equal to 3.8 plus log of 3.8 minus 5. Using calculator, we need to simplify this one. So what we are calculating? So we are simplifying here f of 3.8. So 3.8 plus log of 3.8. Now here log means ln. ln 3.8 minus 5, which is equal to 0.1350. Just you can write 0.135 positive, therefore greater than 0. So here x2 answer is 3.8. x2 in bandide illi 3.8. Then function f of 3.8 is giving us positive value. Go for third approximation, that is x3. ಈಗ x3 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ which two number we have to consider? To calculate x3, obviously the previous number 3.8 we have to consider. This 3.8 is giving us a positive value. 3.8 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ one more negative value. So add x1 and x2 to get third approximation. For x3, add 3.8 and 3.6 divide by 2 will get 3.7, and this 3.7 we need to substitute in the function. When we substitute this one in the function, then this is 3.7 plus log of 3.7 minus 5. Again by using calculator, 3.7 plus log 3.7 means len, that is ln 3.7 minus 5, which is equal to 8.3328. But here into 10 raised to minus 3 we have, which we can write as 0.0083 greater than 0. So here we are getting a positive value. So x3 is 3.7. x3 is 3.7, which is giving us a positive value. So x3 ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, we are getting a positive value. Then to calculate fourth approximation, ಈಗ fourth approximation calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ which two number we have to add? To calculate x4, consider previous x3 value, that is 3.7. 3.7 is giving us a positive value. So along with positive, we cannot consider one more positive value. So positive jate matin tagolbeku. For along with positive, consider negative. And this negative is for 3.6. So to calculate x4, consider 3.7 and 3.6, not 3.8. Therefore, x4 addition is 3.7 plus 3.6 divided by 2, which is 3.65. Substitute in the function using calculator, simplify, will get minus of 0.055, which is less than 0. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತ್ರೀ equation dalli illi solve ಮಾಡಿ already ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So this I will explain now directly. Using calculator, you have to simplify. So in calculator, consider 3.65 plus log 3.65 means you have to type ln 3.65 minus 5. Solve it, will get minus of 0.055, which is less than 0. So this is x4. So here x4 value is 3.65, and this 3.65 function is giving us negative value. Go for fifth approximation because still we didn't get even the first decimal value as similar. So go for fifth approximation, and fifth approximation alli in add martira previous x4 result, that is 3.65, which is giving us negative value. So along with the negative, consider positive value. So add 3.65 and 3.7. To calculate fifth approximation, we have the previous result and then this one. 3.65 plus 3.7 divided by 2, which is giving us 3.675. Substitute this in a function, simplify using calculator, will get minus of 0.02344, which is less than 0. So here x5 answer is 3.675. And it is giving us a negative value. You can observe now the first decimal value is same. ಈಗೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ decimal after first number ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ, that is similar one. Go for sixth approximation and For sixth approximation, consider the previous result 3.675. Previous result ಅಂತೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳದೇ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ಆ previous result ಏನಿದೆ, it is negative. So along with negative ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So along with negative, go for positive, which is for 3.7. So here add 3.7 and 3.675. For sixth approximation, add 3.675 and 3.7 divide by 2 will get 3.6875. Substitute in the function, will get negative answer. Idin functional substitute madidre we are getting a negative answer. So x6 is 3.6875 and this is giving us a negative answer. Iglu enagide illi only the first decimal is same. So go for seventh approximation. So next we have to go for seventh approximation. For seventh approximation, what we can consider? Seventh approximation ge yav two values na tagoltira illi. Consider previous one, that is 3.6875, which is giving us negative. Iden martide, this is giving us negative. So along with negative, one more negative we cannot consider, one more negative we cannot consider. So along with this negative, consider this particular positive value. Okay, so this negative is for 3.6875. So consider this one and then 3.7. Add these two to calculate seventh approximation. So here seventh approximation is addition of 3.6875 and 3.7. Divide by 2 will get 3.6937. Substitute this in the function. Using calculator, simplify, will get 0.0003, which is greater than 0, and this is a positive value. So here our seventh approximation is 3.6937. And this is giving us positive value. Still, the first approximation, first decimal value is similar. Only ಈಗೇನಾಗಿದೆ, first decimal ಅಷ್ಟೇ same ಇದೆ. Still, two more decimal values we need to make similar. For that, go for eighth approximation. ಈಗ eighth approximation ಹೆಂಗ್ calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? By using the previous result, 3.6937, which is giving us positive. So along with positive, one negative value, that is 3.6875. Add these two, divide by 2, will get eighth approximation. So eighth approximation is based on 3.6937 plus 3.6875 divide by 2 will get 3.6906. Substitute in the function. Function dalli idanella substitute ಮಾಡಿ using calculator, simplify, will get minus of 0.0036. So negative value we are getting. Eighth approximation answer is 3.6906, and this is giving us a positive value. So this eighth approximation is giving us a negative value. So it in ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೆ, eighth approximation is giving us a negative value. You can observe in seventh approximation the decimals are 3.69, and in eighth approximation the decimals are 3.69. So two decimal values are same. Just one more third decimal we need to make similar. So go for x9. ಈಗ x9 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Using the previous result 3.6906, which is negative. Along with negative, consider positive value, that is 3.6937. Add these two and divide by 2. So here ninth approximation is 3.6906 plus 3.6937 divided by 2 will get 3.6921. Substitute this value in the function. Simplify using calculator, will get minus of 0.0016, which is less than 0. Means it is giving us a negative value. So x9 answer is 3.6921. When we substitute this one in the function, it is giving us a negative value. Still, two decimals are same. So go for 10th approximation, and this 10th approximation is based on the previous answer 3.6921, which is giving us negative. So along with negative, consider positive value, that is 3.6937. ಈ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಜೊತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಆಡ್ x7 and x9 result, divide by 2. Then we'll get here 10th approximation, and 10th approximation answer is 3.6937 plus 3.6921 divided by 2. After simplification, we'll get 3.6929. So what we are getting here, our 10th approximation is 3.6929. Yes. Then next, don't calculate f of this particular function. It is no need to calculate this one, because you can observe the three decimals are same. In x9 it is 3.692, and in x10 it is 3.692. So here minimum three decimal place values are same, that is 692. Therefore no need to substitute it in the function. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ತ್ರೀ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ, ತ್ರೀ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. therefore here only we have to stop till here, and we need to mention that x is equal to 3.692 is the required real root of the equation. See, there is no much difference between algebraic equation simplification